Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an audio player to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the audio section, and right down here you'll see the audio player. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are 4 tabs here, which are Tracks, Layout, Player, and Style. In the Tracks tab, you can add background music by clicking Add Tracks. Then choose the source from these options. In my case, I will upload a track that I downloaded from Pixabay. Click Upload Track, click Browse Files, choose the track, and click Open. And wait until the track is fully uploaded. After that, you can add the title, name of the artist, and the cover image. And then you can add call to action buttons to encourage the users to download or buy the track, as well as grow your audience by adding links to music services like this. Click Done once you've done adding the track. You can click this 3 dots button if you want to add it or delete the track. Also, you can change the order of this playlist by clicking and holding any track like this and drag it to any position that you want. After that, let's move on to the Layout tab where you can change the width of the widget and also choose the layout. If you choose the floating layout, you can set the position here. And you can also give visitors of your website options to minimize and close the radio player by enabling these options. For this video, I'll stick with this embed layout. Next, let's move on to the Player tab where you can set the audio player controls button and info. For example, you can see the buttons here. And if you want to get rid of the loop button, you just have to uncheck this box and it will disappear. I like to keep the default one, so I'll check all of these boxes, but it's up to you. You can choose whatever elements that you want to hide or display. Then you can explore other settings here, enable autoplay feature, and also manage the playlist. Lastly, you can go to the Style tab where you can customize the design of your audio player by choosing the color scheme, accent color, and font. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the green Publish button. And now you're on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section, click Add Elements, go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of the widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. You can adjust the size of the section by dragging this arrow up and down to fit the entire widget. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here, I have a personalized code that I will share in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl-C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget, and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, and paste the code by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Now let's click this Preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have an audio player on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.